Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. And we know that we have the formula in here. The integration of e to the power of as dx, we have e to the power of as over a, and we put about c in here. Now we can apply the same. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 2s over number 2. This one is about e to the power of s, and this one you got about s, and we put about c. Number 4 divided by number 2, you got about 2e to the power of 2s. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.